Oh, today is a reunion party. Should I go or not? All those girls are also going to be there. It is better I avoid it. I'm sure even Sonia will also be there at reunion party. She was always a topper with so much attitude. And now she is such a successful businesswoman. And for sure Radhika is also gonna be there. She always used to speak bad about me. I'm not meeting anyone.
Gauri, is the breakfast ready? I'm getting late. Hurry, I forgot to ask. It's your reunion party today, na? Are you going?
I'm not sure if I am going. I have a lot of work to do.
Okay.
Yeah, beta, your lunch is ready. Coming. Chalo. Careful, don't run. Bye. Maybe I should go. After all, they are my old friends. But Mansa will also be there. Leave it. I'm not going. I have a lot of work to do. I think I must go. After all, this is the first time a get together like this is happening. Let me see what these girls are up to. Wow, Manisha. She's traveling everywhere. She was always ambitious to be a travel blogger. She has achieved what she wanted to. Megha. She is also working in a top corporate company. All of my friends have continued their careers even after their marriage. And also in great professions now. Maybe I shouldn't go there and get embarrassed in the reunion party. Yeah, it's only me who's doing nothing rather than mundane household works. If I go there, surely they will ask me what I am doing. And I cannot tell lies. So it's better I don't go. But those days were really beautiful. I have so many wonderful memories with these friends. How beautiful those days were. Maybe I should go to the reunion. They were my friends even before they started their careers. It's been so long I have seen them. Yes, I'm going.
Such a long time.
Hi Gauri, how are you doing?
Hi Gauri.
So nice to see you, Gauri. Come on, join us.
Come.
that job role.
I joined this company because they offered me a very good package. It's just that I will have to travel to America every month officially.
Hey, have you been to the Victoria Mall in London? I love the range of cosmetics there.
Dude, you know this Malaysian Harmony cruise? I'm going there. I booked myself.
Yeah, I have heard of it. It is supposed to be amazing. Cynthia, 3 years back you went to that interview so nervous you almost puked.
Yeah,
Do you remember that? No, you were so and you were like literally sweating all over. I remember it.
Stop
Yeah, Gauri, we forgot to ask you, what are you doing now?
Yeah, what are you doing now?
What else? After graduation, my dad got me married. I have a daughter. Since then, all my life has passed in my houseworks. Looking after my daughter, husband, in-laws. This is my all-day routine. You guys are so successful in your careers. But I'm just a housewife.
Hey, that's wrong. Why do you think as such? We are very much happy for you.
Yeah, right. You sacrificed your career, your freedom, your recognition for your family. If I was in your position, I couldn't have done that.
Arey, you know, recently my maid did not turn up. My in-laws came over. I had to take leave and do all the work at home. Doing that was so stressful.
Gauri, you are truly an inspiration for us. What you are doing, not any of us can do. And that makes you a very special woman.
I was unnecessarily overthinking and getting worried about an embarrassing situation. They have all matured to become such wonderful and loving friends. I'm glad I came here. I feel so happy about myself.
It takes a lot of will, character, and effort to sacrifice personal ambitions and dedicate life to something that is seen as ordinary and never much appreciated. This is our small effort to value and respect all the mothers and housewives for their selfless contributions. After all, without their presence, a home would never really be a home.